Okay, the moment we have all been waiting for. I don't even know how to cut this. I'm scared. I can't open this. Wait. Okay. Different strategy. See, I'm smart. But I'm cutting skew. I'm cutting the box. Mission accomplished. Yeah, my close. Okay, move back. This is so cute. This one. Yo, this thing is heavy. You know that song? Heavy, heavy. You got so heavy, babe. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. I don't know if it's heavy or I'm just excited, so I'm like shaking. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got a camera. Okay, it doesn't even show. I got a camera. Oh my word. Where's that knife? Oh my gosh. I don't think I had to cut that, but this feels so good. It's like a pillow. It feels like a pillow. I'm not ready to open the camera. I feel like it's not. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh. I feel like it's not real. What if it's like a toy for like when I'm playing with my teeth?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh my gosh. It's so heavy. I don't know what this is. This is for the camera. Memory card. Let me put it somewhere. I don't want to lose it. Oh, this is thick. Like me. Okay, these are all like batteries and technical stuff. I want to see the camera. Oh my gosh, it feels like Christmas. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. I don't even know how these things work. I'll have to read the manual. It's so beautiful. And it feels like expensive material. Oh my gosh. I'm trying so hard not to cry. Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay, I don't know what to do now. Thanks for watching the video. Please give it a like, comment, and share. Hey guys, so I am midway with the editing process, and I just realized that I was so excited, and I had multiple blonde moments. But the most important thing, or one of the most important things that I neglected to show you, was the lens. Okay, hold on. Is the lens. Okay. And the bag. I actually didn't show you how the bag looks inside. So I'm just going to quickly do that, and then we can get back to the rest of my reaction video. So you guys pretty much already saw the outside. There's a little zip here, and this is how the inside looks. There's a little mesh compartment there and two compartments, which one I've used for my memory card. Oopsie. And then it is a gorgeous bright red color inside. The bigger section is for the camera, of course, and the smaller section is for my lens. So we've just set it up. We did that off camera because this is like my first This is like my first camera ever, so we just wanted to be precise and whatever. And this is how my baby looks. It's so pretty, like a mommy. So this is what I'm going to be taking my videos with from now on. I'm so excited. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I really appreciate it. Bye. Also, this is my first camera, so I'm not all clued up about the lens sizes and stuff. I am still learning how to work this baby, okay? I was just so excited to share the news with you guys, but I don't think I'll be using it for at least another week because I want to get all my research done. So I have recorded some videos on my phone. I'll be sharing those for the rest of the month or so, and in July baby is when a whole new phase of this channel will be opened. So thank you for the love, thank you for the support. You guys mean so much to me. Like, yo, I can't believe this. It was a gift from my friend. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. It was a gift from a friend of mine, and shout out to her. Like, guys, I am so happy. I am so thrilled. It was supposed to come on Monday, but then it actually arrived on Saturday. And when it arrived, you guys, I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't ready. I basically hadn't showered yet. I was like fixing my braiding hair so I could get my braids done. It was just a mess. And the guy called me and he's like, are you Belina? I'm like, yeah. He's like, oh, I'm downstairs with your package. I was like, wait, what? So I was just looking a mighty mess. My phone was actually low at the time, so I couldn't even film my reaction after I got the call from him. And I was obviously so excited, so I rushed downstairs, but because my phone was charging, I couldn't even film myself getting into the elevator, almost falling because I was sprinting, you guys. And I couldn't film people looking at me funny or whatever, so that was a mess. But thank you so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate you guys. This journey has been exciting thus far, but it's also been quite challenging. and I can't wait for the next phase of my journey. And yeah, lots of love, you guys. Lots and lots and lots of love. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do so. It would mean the world to me. June has been such an awesome month, and I just wanna give back. I just wanna give back in July and just do the most. So help me do the most by doing the very least. Like, the very least that I'm asking you to do is like this video, leave a comment for me, and subscribe if you haven't. Please. Until next time, you guys. Bye.